Ruby! Charlie! Hello, buddy. Hello. Elsa. Hey, see. Hello. Maggie! Hello, my trouble. Hello, princess. Hello. Everyone's missed you. Yes, they have. Where's those crazy boys? Hey, Bisk. Oh, hello, Alfie. Hello, buddy boy. Look at you. Yes, I know. We see you both. We see you both. We see you all. We see you all. Yes. Good boy. Where's that Ruby? She's up in the woods. Hey, will she follow us? Barney won't leave Ruby's side. Ruby's down there. He's ready to pounce on her, isn't he? He's up for a fight. How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen. Thank you for tuning into our dog walk. It's my morning walk on Friday the 7th of January. Oh, I almost said December there. And yeah, we have 7 little guys out with us today. We're returning for the first time this year, Alfie and Maggie. So I think that's everyone in the morning park apart from Fern. Been out for a walk. We see Fern again next week. Can't wait for that. Stay with us, I'll show you all the fun of today's walk. We're in the same place as yesterday, but different dogs, different fun. So stick with us. Thanks for watching. We would be a bit mean and see how well Alfie's recall is. Alfie! We're over this side. Good boy, good boy. You're so good. We've not seen you in 2 weeks and you're perfect. Well done. Alfie with no fear, straight into the water. Straight into the mud. Elsa, look at this, mate, your legs. Maggie, don't you go in there, or you, Barney. Just leave it up to the crazy ones. Charlie! Charlie, come here. What's this? Are you glad to have your cousin back? Are you glad he's back? Hey? Are you glad he's back? Yes, you two are cousins. Yes, you are. And you two are brothers. Yes. Maggie. 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 Come and see us. Come and see us. Oh, my little princess. Yes. Oh, good boy, Barney. Good boy. Giving her a kiss. Good boy. Hello, hello, Alfie. I see you all. I love you all so dearly. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Although this sounds rowdy, it is all play. A few of their play styles is just to be a little bit more aggressive and a bit more wrestly. So I'm not worried about it. But sometimes it's hard on the ears, you know. Is it a bit cold on your tootsies? You don't seem too bothered. You don't seem too bothered. You guys okay? You guys okay? Oh, squelchy, squelchy. You need to clean your paws and your belly off, Charlie and Barney. Thanks for joining us, bud. Team meeting. Well, we're all here. We're all here. Some of us need to go on the lead because it's that time of the day where we go back to the van. Have you been in the water, bud? Have you been in the water? Yes, well done, guys. Right, guys, sorry, but time is up. Back to the van, I'm afraid. We've had a good day though. To everyone who's watching, thank you very much for doing so. We'll see these little guys again on Monday, including Maggie and Alfie. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.